Hey people on the Tubely Webs, I'm Mr. Spork and these are Mr. Spork's Hands. It's 2 in the morning, so I'm trying to be quiet. I got the urge for a sandwich and I made a batch of my pull-apart buns. The trick with making my pull-apart buns into hamburger buns or sandwich buns is to simply rise them in a bigger container so that they spread out a little bit more rather than doing them in the cast iron skillet like I normally do. If you need that recipe, go up to my website, click on that link, but I'm going to show you my favorite 2 in the morning sandwich. I take one of my buns. This is some of my pepper jelly. It's habanero lemon pepper jelly, just a tiny little spread, whatever you want to call it, of that is going to add some sweet and some heat. Fabulous stuff. Got to use my homemade mayo. That recipe is also out on my channel. You can go check out that video. It takes 30 seconds to make. Come on people, stop buying that stuff from the grocery store. Make your own and put interesting flavors. This also has a little bit of chili in it. Then I'm going to take some of this beautiful Montreal smoked ham, and basically you get the hams pre-cured, pre-smoked, you pull off the skin, and I actually boil mine for just a little bit until it falls apart and you get this beautiful tender meat. Comes off, goes onto the sandwich like so. Geez, I'm making too much noise tonight. And then I've got some of my homemade coleslaw, which has a little bit of horseradish in it. Yet another kind of kick. And you put some of that on there. Oh my, this is so good. If I could only make these all day long. But guess what? That is my 2 a.m. snack. Everything but the ham I made myself. And this is going to put me to bed nicely. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.